Hi everyone! Today I want to talk about a fascinating concept called digital twins. In simple terms, a digital twin is an accurate virtual representation of a real-world object, system, or process. It is a simulation of the real thing that is created using advanced technologies, and it provides a unique perspective to better understand and manage the physical object. Digital twins enable us to perform various tasks such as predicting maintenance needs, optimizing operations, and ensuring a sustainable long-term performance. They can also help in the design and development of new products and services by providing a virtual prototype before the real thing is built. One of the key benefits of using digital twins is the ability to perform virtual testing, which reduces the risk of failure and costs associated with physical testing. For example, imagine a manufacturing company that uses a digital twin to simulate the operation of its machinery before installing it in its production line. This simulation will help the company identify any potential issues and make adjustments to ensure a successful installation. Another advantage of digital twins is their potential to support smart cities and IoT-enabled environments. By collecting and analyzing data from various sensors, digital twins can help city officials make informed decisions to improve public safety, energy efficiency, and overall city operations. In conclusion, digital twins are a powerful tool that provides valuable insights and support for various industries and sectors. By leveraging advanced technologies, we can create accurate virtual representations of real-world objects and systems, which ultimately help us make better decisions and achieve a more sustainable future. So, if you haven't heard of digital twins yet, it's definitely time to keep an eye on this exciting concept. A digital twin is a digital replica of a real-world object, system, or process, which captures its full behavior and dynamics. It is a simulation of the real object that can be manipulated and analyzed to help improve its performance, predict maintenance needs, and even plan operations. The use of digital twins is rapidly expanding in various industries, including manufacturing, energy, transportation, and healthcare. One of the key benefits of using digital twins is that they enable proactive maintenance decisions. By simulating the behavior of a system throughout its life cycle, including operational data, maintenance histories, and predicted wear and tear, digital twins can predict when a component will fail and recommend necessary maintenance actions. Another advantage of digital twins is their ability to optimize energy consumption in buildings. By simulating the behavior of a building's occupants, systems, and resources, digital twins can help identify areas where energy consumption can be reduced. This information can then be used to plan maintenance operations or make adjustments to building design to a